Folding electric mobility, a friendly mobility for elderly and PWD. Hello friendly people! For today's video, ito po si Sir Tony kung saan dito i-demonstrate niya kung paano gamitin ang electric mobility scooter. Friendly people, ito ang Atto Sports Mobility Scooter. So ito yung time kung saan binibigyan ng instruction ni Sir Tony kung paano po i-assemble ito pong Atto Sports Mobility Scooters. Friendly people, nung nakita ko to ay talaga naman po ako ay nagandahan at talaga naman pong napaka-cute. Ito ang Atto Mobility Scooter, Atto Moving Life Scooter na pwede sa travel, shopping, and more. Mobility scooter for average body size. Ito yung electric mobility scooters for PWD, senior citizen, at perfect din ito dun sa mga tao na merong kahirapan sa pagtayo at paglalakad ng malayuan. Ito ay best travel body. Si Sir Tony kung saan dito tinetest drive niya yung nasabing electric scooter. Alto electric scooters, ito ay water resistance, foldable, at ito ay pwedeng i-separate into two na para lang siyang maleta. So, meron din siyang leather seat at ito ay airplane and land approved. Easy to carry. Friendly people, meron din siyang removable batteries. Ito yung best travel buddies, lalo na po ngayon na paparating ang Christmas, napakadami nating pwedeng puntahanan. Ito ay pwede nating gamitin para sa ating pagta-travel. So cute at so spacious pa na parang maleta. Friendly people, ito ang electric mobility scooters for PWD and elderly. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye po.